Hi, class. My name is Rashid Roshan, and I'm really actually excited to be taking medical social worker as an elective. And I chose this because I've always been intrigued by what a social worker can do in a medical setting. I've always liked the idea of working in a hospital setting, although I have volunteered in a hospital before, but I've never worked there, at least in the capacity of the role of a social worker. Um, I don't have an agency selected yet for my concentration field placement. Um, I'm not sure exactly where I'd like to complete this field of placement, what kind of setting it would be, um, but I'm definitely intrigued at possibly completing it in a hospital. Um, and I think that one takeaway I really want to get is uh, how many different hats a social worker can play in a hospital role. How many things? I mean, would it be limited to case management? Would it be, case management plus maybe a little, whatever it takes. Honestly, I'm very, very, I don't know much about what a social worker does in the hospital setting, but I'm looking forward to finding out. And I'm looking forward to working with you all this semester. Thank you.